Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. So please, today's video is about Lux Industries. So as for me, this is actually undervalued. I will tell you the reasons, and I'm going to do the fundamental analysis of this Lux Industries. As always, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a SEBI registered financial advisor. This is not a buy or sell recommendation. This is only education purpose. You can take a call based on your convenience. If you get convinced, as well as you can check with your financial advisor. So let me quickly start. So today's video is about Lux Industries Limited. So following are the business details. I hope you all are you must be definitely knowing the Lux brand. This cloth brand. There are a lot of celebrities who are advertisement in TV. They have spent a lot of money to advertise, and this company also exists from almost like more than 50 60 years. So what they make usually, men's innerwear. As you can see, these are all the brands, main brands: Lux Cozy, Lux Venus, ONN, Generation X. I think they also brought up with new Lyra. I think this is Janvi Kapoor is the brand ambassador. Apart from Salman Khan, there are also other brand ambassadors. Are there? Definitely you would have heard the name. Uh, and next one is actually, as you can see, these are all the brand ambassadors. Uh, So you can read the name here. Saurav Ganguly is the Jacqueline Fernandez, Vijay Devarkonda, Varun Dhawan, Maman Irani, Janvi Kapoor are the brand ambassadors. As you can see, they have spent almost like 900 crores in last 5 years, for the branding itself. So as you can think of, this is kind of a getting into a good branded business. So definitely you would have heard the name, as well as it's also kind of a all over India. It's very famous. So as I said, it is more than existing from more than 50 years. It started in 1957. You can think of, from there it has actually it's got a big journey, long journey. I don't want to get into all these details. So, but anyway, this is what it says. So in terms of categories, they've got three brands: premium brand, semi-premium, and economy brand. And also they've done the classification here, as you can see, Wine and Lux Premiums, Onyx, 1.8, and all these things comes under premium brand. And the revenue also, you can see, this is very small as of now, and semi-premium is almost like this is the main one, 868 crores they're making, and this economy is 538 crores. So this is in terms of business. And in terms of dealers and other things, they've almost got 1170 dealers network all over India, and also 2 lakh plus multi-brand stores they're keeping their products, and as well as they've got 9 exclusively branded outlets as of now. As you can see, these are all the branded outlets like Lux Industries, and also there is exclusive store for Lyra as well, brand like that. Yeah, these are all, sales team 550, total employees, I think 3,500 employees, I think 19 warehouse all across 12, around 12 states. They got the warehouses. Export is very less, 6%. I think most of the things is actually done in 94% of the revenue is coming from domestic. But as you can see here, they've added almost like five new countries into their kitty. But totally they've got almost like 46 plus country present. But they're also targeting by 2025 to have to export to almost 60 countries. So shareholders, as you can see, the shareholding is 74%, or almost 75% is held by actually these promoters. So earlier there was in 2020, I think it was 69%. They have actually increased their stake. It is almost like becomes 74.19%. So we heard some actually corporate governance issues, not fully, but some insider trading and other things by one of the you know uh, executive director. But if you see here, even E and Y is the internal auditor. That is really good. I mean, you can trust E and Y as well as SK Agarwal. They are the statutory auditor. Strong management. So this is good thing. I think if I just try to check the leadership team, I think Ashok Kumar Todi and Pradeep Kumar Todi. These two are the kind of founders. But I think one One thing also in the rumor in the market is also they are going to split. I think this is also one of the reason the price has been currently very less. But anyway, you can see here the promoters actually they are uh, running the company very well. There is no issues there. And also next generation, as you can see, if you can see all the second names, they are all from the same family business, family members only. They are also running this business. I think Udit Todi is one of the person. I think where there was a inside trader issue was there. I think SEBI was investigating, but later on they gave the clean sheet. So in terms of the mutual fund houses, as you can see, it is not so much encouraging, because if you see Kotak Mahindra mutual fund, it is keep on reducing it. So I'll also tell you the reason why they are maybe exiting. But it's also one way it is good actually. You should always look into the business where the mutual funds and FIS are not holding much. As you can see, only 4.79% insurance companies are holding, and non-institutional or public are holding almost like 18%. FIs are also less. So you should always identify the companies where the FIs and mutual funds are not there. So as soon as they come on board, then the price will shoot up. Then you will get a benefit. If you're already entered into the companies where FIs and mutual funds are holding too much, then if the price increases, then they will exit. Then you will also maybe suffer, because the price will come down. So this is also one of the positive reason what I can say. But usually if you see here, Motilal Oswal is actually started accumulating here from last 3 quarters, even though it's not much, but it is less. SBA also started accumulating. It was 0.005, now it has become 0.009. And DSP mutual fund also, I think, newly entered in last quarter. Otherwise, I think ICICI also entered small quantity, but they are also, both of them are also increasing here. So I think mutual funds are so slowly they are started coming. In terms of financials, as you can see, sales is actually 1078 in 2018. Now it's almost like 2322. From last 3 years, it was almost like stable sales they're making. Operating profit, it is actually fully reduced here because of these margins. So one reason for this is the cotton prices. Actually also given in the next one of the slide, the cotton price was actually almost stable at around 15 to 20,000 earlier. Now it suddenly shoot up almost like 3 times. I think it has become almost like 60,000, 70,000, like that. So because of that, I think from last 2 years they have suffered with the margins. So definitely, I think once the cotton prices start coming down, I think company will get a benefit. You should always, look at the business when it has got a wrong, or something is going on wrongly, badly towards the company. That time the prices will be less, and then that is the right time to accumulate. Currently, I think the cotton prices are shoot up like anything. Because of that, they are not making margin. I think that's why the share price also come down. One good thing is the share price is actually at 52-week low price. And also, as you can see here, it is almost come down from 4,000, yeah, almost like 4,000. So that means it has come down by, I think it has gone all the way till 4,400. I can see here. So it has fallen by almost like one third. So this is also one of the opportunity, as you can see from here. So it is at the lesser level than 2018 because of this, cotton prices. So definitely, I think if the cotton prices start falling down, this will go up. But of course, you need to follow these cotton prices closely, and also you should accumulate share in in different batches. You should not buy everything at once. If the cotton price further goes up, then the margin will come down, and then there is a problem for the company. So one another good thing is also they are paying dividend. That's also one thing. But sales is almost like stable here. 2,300 sales they are making. If you see the market cap, this is really undervalued. It's only 3,300. You can think of this is a global brand. Sorry, Indian very good well-known brand, and it is existing from almost like more than 50 years, and it is trading at less than two sales to market cap. So that's why this is, for me, it is undervalued. And also good thing is promoter holding is really good. Number of shares is only 3 crores. And also you can see the reserves is 1,400. This is also very good thing. They have got a very good cash. There is negligible debt is there compared to the reserves what they have got. debt to equity ratio, as you can see, this is 0.16. Because of this, I would say I would recommend this one after your thorough analysis. So as I said, I think sluggish export demand. There is also a recession going on, and because of the inflation in all the countries, so this export is little bit reduced, as well as delayed winter. If the winter is delayed, then whatever this, usually they will have different cloths for different seasons. If they're produced for, the planning happens 1 year before. Usually if they have produced the sweaters and other things, if there is a delay in winter, nobody will buy the sweaters and other things. That's why it causes the slump in sales. That's also another problem with this seasonal product with clothing industry. In the summer, again, if the summer does not exist for long time, they will also suffer. If the winter does not exist for more time, that then also will suffer. But usually global warming will causing different kinds of weather. You cannot predict the weather every year. Because of that, I think there is sluggishness currently. So domestic demand is also a little bit less. Yarn prices or cotton prices, as I said, it's remained stable, but it has actually gone up too much actually from compared to last 3 years. Yeah, they're also giving higher discounts to channel partner for better working capital. They want to push the product. That's why they're giving some discount. Because of that, I think they're not making much revenue or the profit as of now. Risk, as I said, corporate governance issue. I think which was there. If you Google it, you will find out. And two brothers are there. As I said, I heard the rumor that they may split it. Then you don't know which business will go where. Then it's a risk actually. So cotton prices at record high time. As you can see, this is the graph what I showed you for the cotton. So as you can see, it was almost like a 20,000 uh, from last 10 years. I think this is a graph of 10 years. 2015 and all, it was only at 20,000. It has suddenly gone up to 60,000. This is the biggest problem, and almost it is tripled. So that's the reason actually they are also suffering. So if the prices start coming down, this is also always an advantage for the company. Then they will start making money, since there is already very good brand name, and also they have started export and other things that will definitely uh, make a company a valuable company. So as I said, company exists. These are the positives. Well-known brands, brand consciousness of people is getting increased. That's why the people start buying branded clothes. Low valuation in terms of market to sales value, almost debt free, 3 crores, less number of shares, promoter holding at almost like 75%. Yeah. Uh, so for me, I think this is undervalued, and also it has got a very good brand name. So definitely I can recommend you, if you have uh, holding period of 3 to 5 years time. So you can definitely think of this. And also this is almost like 52-week low price. So this is also one reason I'm recommending this. This is not overvalued at the current market is at all-time high. That's why I recommend this only after consulting your financial advisor. Thanks. Bye.